In this video, we'll show you how to watch exclusive content on Instagram for free. The first thing we need to do is open Instagram on our phone and sign into our account. Once we're inside, we can search for the profile of the creator whose exclusive content we want to check. If the creator uses Instagram subscriptions, we'll see a specific option to subscribe and access the content available to subscribers. In some cases, creators may offer free content, promotions, or public posts related to their exclusive content. That's why, before paying for a subscription, it's a good idea to check the creator's profile and see everything they already share publicly. We can also check whether the creator has other social media accounts, public posts, or links in their profile where they share additional content for free. Some creators use different platforms to offer part of their content without requiring a subscription. If an official promotion or free trial is available for a particular subscription, we can use it by following the terms provided by Instagram or the creator, and that's it. As you can see, there are different ways to find free content from your favorite creators on Instagram. Although content specifically reserved for subscribers will normally require a valid subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.